Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, we got CPI inflation data coming out today for the US. Definitely should affect all the US dollar pairs in a pretty big way. Now, we are pretty close to the 78%. If you've been following along with my videos, you know that I think there's still a chance this is an ABC correction. It kind of looks like it almost needs to pop up one more time, grab that level, make that traditional 3-4-5 shape, completing a 1-2-3-4-5 pattern before it goes down, before it breaks structure, and hopefully ends up continuing the downtrend, completing this ABC correction. Now, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it would be the best thing for us would be that this is actually an ABC, like an ABC of 4, and then it goes up and makes a wave 5, and this is the wave 3, this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2. Then it continues to respect, or it does respect the 78%, makes it a pulsar turn, makes a break a structure. If I see all this right here, then that is definitely the evidence to tell me that it is the end of an ABC correction, and it very likely is the continuation of the downtrend on the higher time frames. But if we don't see this, 3-4-5 shape, if we don't see this break of structure at a Fibonacci level, then I guess you just continue to look for logs, and who knows, maybe it'll just keep on going up. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching, and happy trading.